Ever feel like your thoughts are running wild and you're stuck in a loop you can't escape? You're not alone. Whether it's anxiety, stress, low self-esteem, or just everyday overthinking, CBT might be the secret weapon your brain's been waiting for. So, what is CBT, and how can it help you take back control of your mind? Let's break it down, step by step, and maybe even have a little fun along the way. What is CBT? CBT stands for Cognitive Behavioral Therapy. It's one of the most researched and effective types of talk therapy out there, and it works by tackling two big things: your thoughts and your behaviors. Your thoughts equals feelings and behaviors. CBT is based on the idea that our thoughts shape how we feel, and how we feel influences what we do. So if we can change the way we think, we can change the way we feel, and ultimately what we do. The CBT triangle: thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. Think of CBT like a triangle. At the top, your thoughts. On one corner, your emotions. And on the other corner, your behaviors. They're all connected. Amy thinks, I'm going to mess up this presentation. She feels anxious. So she avoids it. But avoiding it only confirms her fear and keeps the cycle going. CBT helps you spot that pesky thought, challenge it, and replace it with something a bit more helpful, like, I've prepared for this. I might be nervous, but I can do it. Boom, new feeling, new action. New feeling, new. How CBT works. In CBT, you usually work with a trained therapist. But the cool thing, it's super practical. It's not just talking, it's learning tools. You get homework. You track your thoughts. You become your own mental detective. CBT Tool 1. Thought Record. You write down the situation, your automatic thought, how it made you feel, and then you investigate. Thought record. Situation. Didn't get a text back. Thought, they must be mad at me. Feeling, anxious. Challenge. Is there any evidence? Maybe they're just busy? Alternative thought. They probably haven't seen it yet. New feeling, calm. It sounds simple, but doing this regularly rewires your brain over time. Fun CBT in everyday life. Believe it or not, CBT techniques are kind of like life hacks for your brain. You can use them anytime. The ABC model A 𝐃𝐨𝐧'𝐭's activating event, e.g., boss gives you feedback. B 𝐶𝐨𝐳's belief, I'm terrible at my job. C 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐫𝐞's consequence, you feel awful, unmotivated. CBT helps you catch the B, challenge it, and change the consequence. Example rewrite. Belief. They want me to improve. That's a good thing. Consequence. You feel empowered, not crushed. And guess what? You don't even need to wait for a crisis. Try using CBT next time you spill coffee and start cursing your entire day. Let's follow our friend Jamie. Jamie wakes up late, misses the bus and thinks, this day is ruined. That one thought triggers stress, grumpiness, and a fight with a friend. But with CBT tools, Jamie catches the thought. Okay, rough start, but I can still turn this around. Jamie focuses on what they can control. Mood shifts. Day improves. What CBT can help with? CBT can help with all kinds of issues: anxiety, depression, PTSD, phobias, OCD, even sleep problems. It's evidence-based, structured, and usually short-term. And it works. You can't stop the waves, but you can learn to surf. 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐫𝐬𝐻𝐿. It's not about pretending life is perfect. It's about learning how to think differently so you can feel differently and take action that actually helps you grow. CBT won't magically fix everything overnight, but it gives you tools. And over time, those tools build resilience, confidence, and clarity. Want to learn more CBT tools you can use right now? Hit that like button, subscribe now. Thanks for watching.